Welcome back to the channel. Well, we've got a very fine period of weather coming up, some high temperatures for many, some dry conditions as well. So let's see if we can help you plan a day out at the beach, maybe a barbecue, and we've got some dry days, green peg days for your washing. So let's see what you've got coming up for your weather in your area. First set of charts we're going to look at is the 850 HPA, which is temperatures about 1,500 metres above the earth, approximately 1 mile. Saturday the 9th, you can see some warm air over the south of the country. Sunday, the warm air is starting to move northwards. Monday, the warm air's into the Midlands. Tuesday, it's up on the northwest coast. Wednesday, it's over all the country, really, a little bit around East Anglia for some reason. Then Thursday, we've got some very high temperatures getting into the south of the country. Friday, cooler air is beginning to take over from the north of the country, and then Saturday, a total collapse. So what does all this mean? Let's have a look. Well, Saturday the 9th, some very warm air from the Manchester area downwards to the south. About 22 degrees around Manchester, 24 in the Midlands, 25 in the south coast. You can see the cooler temperatures up in the north, west and Scotland. This is going to bring 1 or 2 showers around on Saturday up in the northwest and the south of Scotland and in Northern Ireland. Sunday's looking very warm into the Midlands, 25 degrees, 26, 27 degrees in the south and about 17 degrees on the northwest and Scotland, 19 degrees in Northern Ireland. The high pressure's totally dominating and is keeping the country nice and dry. Monday the 11th, we've got some very high temperatures around again. Midlands round about 25 degrees. Possibly in the south, we're around about 26 to 27 degrees. Rain on Monday seems to be just up in the northwest side of Scotland. Tuesday the 12th, very high temperatures still around South Wales there, 28 degrees. And in the southwest of the country, 28 degrees. Lots of parts of the country, of the Midlands, around about 25 degrees. Still very pleasant in the northeast, northwest and Scotland, round about 21, 22 degrees. Some heavy rain to the very north of Scotland. 1 or 2 showers might start to encroach into South Wales and around the Somerset area. Wednesday, very high temperatures once again, round about 28 degrees in the southwest, 25, 26 degrees in the Midlands, I would say, and a lot of the northeast, northwest, round about 22 degrees. High pressures in the North Sea, and that's bringing very dry conditions for most of the country. The only place that appears to have any rain will be the very northwest of Scotland. Thursday the 14th again, very high temperatures, 28 degrees across the southern part of the country, 24 in Wales, round about 25, 26 degrees in the Midlands, a lot of northern England round about 22 to 24 degrees, in Scotland having temperatures around 24 degrees on Thursday. Thursday we can see 1 or 2 showers breaking out in Wales and possibly around the Midlands and the southern parts of the country. Friday the 12th, you can start to see from the north into Scotland, temperatures are suddenly dropping there to about 12, 13 degrees. Northern England round about 21, so still very pleasant there. And the Midlands, another hot day, 25 degrees. Southeast parts of the country round 28 to 30 degrees. Unfortunately, we're starting to see some very heavy showers, periods of rain through Wales and the north west side of the country, and these showers get into the Midlands. Looking at some very high cap values for Wales and the north and the southeast, so there could be some thundery downpours in those areas. Saturday, total collapse, and we've got temperatures round about 16 degrees throughout the country. Well, you'd be going for your jumpers when it's like that. Unbelievable. 12 to 16 degrees on Saturday, and a lot of very heavy showers on the northeast and the east coast. I do hope you found this content interesting and enjoyable. If you did, please give me that thumbs up. Press the bells and dong all the buttons, and maybe leave a comment on this channel. I'll be very much appreciate that. Anyway, enjoy the weather safely, look after yourselves and those you love. Till we meet again, be a fan. Bye for now.